The year is 2024, the place Elon Musk's minimalist office. Sunlight streams through floor-to-ceiling windows. A lone journalist sits opposite the visionary entrepreneur. The journalist adjusts his notes, preparing for a deep dive into a pressing issue: affordable housing. He has interviewed Musk before, but this topic feels different. The journalist knows Musk is a man who tackles grand challenges.
The journalist looks up from his notepad. He sees a hint of a smile on Musk's face, a sign of an engaged mind. The world is watching, eager to hear Musk's perspective.
Elon Musk leans forward, his gaze steady. He acknowledges the complexity of the affordable housing issue. He states the problem simply: housing has become unaffordable for many. He points to inefficiencies in the system as the root cause. Construction methods, zoning laws, and the pace of development all contribute to the problem. Musk believes that reducing building costs is key to solving the crisis. He sees an opportunity to disrupt the industry with technology.
The journalist listens intently, absorbing Musk's analysis. The journalist probes further, asking how Musk proposes to address these inefficiencies. He refers to Musk's known belief in technology as a problem-solving tool.
Musk's response is immediate and affirmative. He believes technology holds the key to unlocking affordability. Musk's eyes light up as he begins to outline his vision. He believes current construction practices are outdated and inefficient. He sees automation as the future of home building.
The journalist, intrigued by Musk's assertion, probes further. "You're talking about a systemic overhaul, Mr. Musk. Can you elaborate on the specific inefficiencies you see within the current housing market?"
Musk nods, acknowledging the journalist's astute observation. "It's a multifaceted problem," he begins, his voice taking on a thoughtful tone. "Firstly, our construction methods are archaic. We're still building houses largely the same way we did a century ago, brick by brick, lumber by lumber. It's slow, labor-intensive, and ripe for disruption." Musk pauses, allowing his words to sink in. This traditional approach is inherently inefficient, leading to inflated costs and lengthy construction timelines. Secondly, zoning laws often exacerbate the problem. Musk continues, his gaze intense. Restrictive regulations designed to control urban sprawl can stifle innovation and limit the development of affordable housing options. Finally, the sheer pace of population growth and urbanization further compounds the issue, Musk concludes.
The journalist, captivated by Musk's analysis, leans forward. "And you believe technology holds the key to unlocking this paradigm shift?" he asks, his voice tinged with curiosity.
Musk nods, a confident smile playing on his lips. "Absolutely. We're on the cusp of a technological revolution in construction, and automation is at its heart. Imagine a future where robots work alongside human crews," Musk begins, his eyes gleaming with excitement. These robots, equipped with advanced sensors and AI-powered algorithms, can handle repetitive tasks with precision and speed, significantly accelerating construction timelines.
The journalist listens, picturing the scene in his mind.
"But it's not just about robots," Musk continues, his voice filled with passion. "We're talking about a complete reimagining of the construction process. Modular designs, where homes are prefabricated off-site and assembled on location, can further reduce costs and waste. And then there's 3D printing. 3D printing has the potential to revolutionize the housing industry," Musk states emphatically. "Imagine a giant 3D printer creating entire homes on demand."
"It sounds like science fiction," the journalist remarks.
Musk chuckles, but the technology is real and advancing rapidly. We're already seeing 3D printed homes around the world.
The journalist, eyebrows raised, delves deeper. "How does this 3D printing process work for building a house?"
Musk explains, "Imagine a gigantic robotic arm extruding a special concrete mixture. This mixture hardens rapidly, creating walls, floors, and roofs. It follows a digital blueprint, ensuring precision. The structure emerges, ready for finishing touches."
The journalist, eager to quantify the benefits, poses a direct question. Mr. Musk, you've mentioned speed and efficiency several times. Can you elaborate on the actual time and cost savings?
Musk nods, happy to delve into the numbers. With 3D printing, we can reduce that time frame to days or weeks.
The journalist raises his eyebrows in surprise. The potential impact on housing availability is enormous.
It all sounds very promising, Mr. Musk, but scalability is always a concern with new technologies. How do we go from printing individual homes to meeting the demands of a global housing crisis?
It's a valid concern, but I'm confident we can scale up 3D printing to meet the needs of a growing population. It requires a multi-pronged approach.
First, we need to invest in research and development to further refine the technology, making it even faster, more efficient, and capable of utilizing a wider range of building materials. Second, we need to streamline regulations and permitting processes to facilitate the adoption of 3D printing in construction. And finally, we need to create a skilled workforce capable of operating and maintaining this new generation of construction technology. Mr. Musk, you've painted a compelling picture of the future, but how does this technology translate into actual homes for real people? What does the design process look like?
The beauty of 3D printing is its ability to break free from the constraints of traditional construction. We're no longer limited by rectangular rooms and cookie-cutter designs.
Imagine designing a home using intuitive software. You can customize the layout, choose from a library of sustainable materials, and even incorporate smart home features, all with a few clicks.
The software generates a digital blueprint that's fed directly to the 3D printer. This allows for unparalleled precision and eliminates the possibility of human error during construction.
Mr. Musk, you've mentioned sustainable materials. What exactly are these 3D printers using to create these homes, and how do they impact the environment?
Sustainability is at the forefront of our thinking. We're exploring a range of eco-friendly materials, from recycled plastic and industrial waste to bio-based composites derived from plants. These materials offer comparable strength and durability to traditional concrete, but with a fraction of the environmental impact.
Furthermore, 3D printing allows us to optimize material usage, minimizing waste and reducing the overall environmental impact of construction. We can create structures that are not only affordable, but also sustainable and energy efficient. Section 3, Beyond the Hype, Addressing Real-World Challenges.
Mr. Musk, this all sounds incredibly promising, but let's address the elephant in the room, the existing housing market. How do these 3D printed homes fit into a world with established neighborhoods and traditional construction?
It's not about replacing traditional construction overnight. It's about providing an alternative, a more efficient and sustainable solution that can complement existing housing options. We envision 3D printed homes being integrated into diverse communities. They can be used to create affordable housing units in urban areas, disaster relief shelters in emergency situations, and even custom homes for those seeking unique and sustainable living spaces. The key is to work collaboratively with governments, developers, and communities to ensure a seamless integration of this technology into the existing housing landscape.
Section 1. The Regulatory Maze. Mr. Musk, you've mentioned the need for streamlined regulations. How do we overcome the potential bureaucratic hurdles that often accompany disruptive technologies like 3D printing in construction?
You're right, the regulatory environment can be a significant barrier to innovation. But I'm a firm believer that when governments see the potential benefits, in this case, more affordable housing, job creation, and a reduced environmental impact, they're more likely to embrace change. We need to work closely with policymakers to educate them about the technology. We need to demonstrate its safety, its efficiency, and its potential to address the housing challenges we face. By working together, we can create a regulatory framework that fosters innovation while ensuring safety and sustainability.
Section 2. Building the workforce of the future. Mr. Musk, with increased automation comes the inevitable question of job displacement. How do we prepare the construction workforce for a future where robots play a larger role?
It's crucial that we approach this transition thoughtfully and responsibly. Automation shouldn't be about replacing jobs, it should be about augmenting human capabilities and creating new opportunities. We need to invest in education and training programs that equip workers with the skills needed to operate, maintain, and repair these advanced technologies. This includes everything from programming and robotics to data analysis and 3D design. Imagine a future where construction workers evolve into skilled technicians, operating sophisticated machinery and collaborating with robots to create homes with unprecedented precision and speed. This transition will create a new generation of high-paying, fulfilling jobs in the construction industry.
That's an inspiring vision, Mr. Musk.
As the interview draws to a close, the journalist reflects on Musk's vision. Mr. Musk, you've presented a bold roadmap for affordable housing.
Musk, with steely determination, leans forward. We're already taking concrete steps, he states confidently. Look at what we've achieved in space, electric vehicles, renewable energy.
The journalist, moved by Musk's passion, sees the potential dawn of a new era in housing. And collaborating with policymakers and industry leaders to navigate regulatory hurdles and empower the workforce. Utilizing sustainable materials. The future of affordable housing lies in reimagining construction with automation at its core, embracing 3D printing as a game changer.
Each element, ambitious on its own, forms a cohesive strategy for tackling a global crisis.
It's about leveraging innovation to create a world where everyone has access to safe, affordable, and sustainable housing. It's not just about building houses, it's about building a future where technology empowers humanity to solve its most pressing challenges.
The audacity of Musk's vision is undeniable. But with his track record of defying expectations, there's a surge of hope that this blueprint can indeed become a reality. The transformative potential of Musk's ideas is immense. If successful, this isn't just a victory for affordable housing, it's a testament to the power of human ingenuity to reshape the world.
Imagine a world where 3D printers hum on construction sites, extruding homes with speed and precision, while skilled technicians oversee their operation. Robots and humans working side by side, augmenting each other's capabilities, not replacing them.
Sustainable materials, once a niche concept, become the norm, minimizing the environmental impact of construction.
This future is not a utopian fantasy, it's a tangible possibility, driven by the relentless march of technological advancement and the visionaries who dare to dream big. It's a future where the seemingly insurmountable barriers of cost, efficiency, and sustainability crumble in the face of human ingenuity.
Musk's vision extends beyond bricks and mortar. It's not just about building structures, it's about building communities, fostering social equity, and creating a world where everyone has a place to call home.
Access to affordable housing is not just an economic issue, but a fundamental human right. True progress requires a collective effort, a shared commitment to creating a better future for all.
The true measure of success lies not just in the number of houses built, but in the lives they transform. It's about providing families with stability, security, and a sense of belonging. It's about creating communities that are vibrant, inclusive, and filled with opportunity. The weight of the interview lingers. Musk's words have ignited a spark of hope.
This interview is a call to action. It's a challenge to embrace innovation and work together.
Imagine a better world and pursue that vision.
The road ahead will be challenging. The time for action is now.